Hey everyone, welcome back. So you open ChatGPT, you go looking for a conversation you had last week, and it's just not in the list. Before you panic and assume it's deleted, in almost every case that chat is still on your account, it's just hidden somewhere you haven't looked. I'll show you the two places to check, in order, and the fix for the unable to load conversation error at the end. Let's get into it. Swipe up to open your apps, tap the search bar, type in ChatGPT, and open it. Now tap the menu icon in the top left corner, and that's your history, under Recents. First check, and this takes 5 seconds. Tap the search icon at the top of this list, and type part of the chat name. I'm looking for a gold price conversation, so I'll type gold. And look at the results! I get a gold chat from August, an image, another chat, but the one I actually want isn't here. That matters, because search covers your whole history, not just what's on screen. So if search can't find it, it isn't buried, it's somewhere else. And here's where it went. Tap the settings icon at the bottom of this menu, then scroll down past notifications and security, and tap data controls. Scroll down again to the bottom of this page, and you'll see a section called Chat History with View Archived Chats. Tap that. This is the folder almost nobody knows exists, and it's where chats go when you archive one by accident. And there it is, gold price update, sitting in the archive the whole time. Archiving is easy to do by mistake. It's one tap away in the chat menu, right next to delete. To get it back, tap the chat and choose Unarchive. That's it, the archive is empty again. Now tap the back arrow twice to get out of settings. Open the menu and your chat is right back in Recents, in the same spot it was before. Now the other one, unable to load conversation. That's a different problem. The chat exists, the app just failed to download it. And whatever you do, don't clear your data for this, that signs you out, and it won't help. Instead, close the app properly. Tap the Recents button, swipe ChatGPT away so it's fully closed, then go back to your apps and open it again from scratch. Open your menu, and your chats load fresh from your account. 9 times out of 10, a clean restart is the whole fix. So let's recap. If a ChatGPT conversation is missing, don't assume it's gone. Open the menu, tap the search icon, and search for it first, because a long history hides chats further down than you think. If search comes back empty, go to Settings, Data Controls, View Archived Chats, and check the archive, because that's where an accidental archive puts it. Tap the chat, tap Unarchive, and it's back in Recents. And if the chat is listed but throws unable to load conversation, just close ChatGPT from your recent apps and reopen it. Don't touch clear data, because that logs you out. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.